Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 11 tables and shares, and today's topic is word problems. Okay students, today's topic is word problems based on division. Okay students, dear students, please open page number 106. Page number 106. Okay, now let's start question number 34. Question number 34 is the cost of 15 train. The cost of 15 train tickets from Delhi to Kota is rupees 2400. Find the cost of one ticket. Okay, students. In this question, you are given that the total cost of 15 train tickets from Delhi to Kota is rupees 2400. Okay, then in this question we find that the cost of one ticket by taking the division of 2400 by 15. Okay students, now let's start the solution of question number 34. In this question here given that the cost of 15 train ticket from Delhi to Kota is equal to rupees 2400. Okay, and then the cost of one train ticket from Delhi to Kota is equal to. Dear students, in this question, here we have to take the division of 2400 by 15. Okay, after dividing these we get the result of this question. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here we have to take the division of 2400 by 15. Okay, 15 1 ja 15. Dear students, look at here carefully. Here given that 4 and here given that 5. We know that 4 is less than 5. Therefore, we have to take one borrow from 2, and this 4 makes 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, students? And here we get 1 in place of 2. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. It will that cancel out. And here we have to take 0 as same. Recast table of 15 in 15 6 90. After subtracting these we get 90 minus 90 is 0. It will that cancel out, and here we have to take 0 as same. Okay students, 15 0 ja 0. Okay, after dividing these we get 160 rupees 160. It means that the cost of one train ticket from Delhi to Kota is rupees 160. Okay, distance. Now read this. Yes, sir. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me. Now read this. Okay, distance. Now let's start next question. And next question is, a garden has, question number 35. Question number 35 is, a garden has 2700 mango trees. Mango trees. If each row has 45 trees, find the number of rows. Find the number of rows. Okay, sons? Look at here carefully. In this question here given that a garden has 2700 mango tree. If each row has 45 trees, okay, then in this question we find that the number of rows is 2700 by 45. It means that in this question if we have to take the division of 2700 by 45 for finding the number of rows. Okay, divisions. Now let's start the solution of this question. In this question, the total number of trees in a garden is, the total number of trees in a garden is equal to 2700 mango tree. 2700 mango trees. Okay, distance. And the total number of trees in each row is equal to 45 mango trees. Okay, then the total number of row, is equal to, dear friends, in this question here we have to take the division of 2700 by 45. Okay friends, it means that 2700 trees by 45 mango trees. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here we have to take the division of 2700 by 45. Recalls table of 45. 45 45 6 ja 6 5 ja 30 of 0 carry 3 6 4 ja 24 plus 3 is 27. Okay students, 6 5 ja 30 of 0 carry 3 6 4 ja 24 24 plus 3 is 27. After subtracting these we get 0 minus 0 is 0. Remove that, cancel out. 7 minus 7 is 0, it means that cancel out. 2 minus 2 is 0, it means that cancel out. And here we have to take 0 as same. 45 0 is 0. Okay, it means that after dividing these we get 60 rows. Okay distance, it means that the total number of rows is 60. Okay, the total number of rows in a garden is 60. It means that the total number of rows in a garden is equal to 60. Okay distance, please write in book and math fair copy both. Okay, now is this. In this question we find that the total number of rows is 60. Okay distance, now let's start next question. Next question is this one. Please open page number 107. And next question is 36. Question number 36. On Independence Day, on Independence Day, 2100, it means that 2100 laddus were distributed equally among amongst distributed equally amongst 525 students in a school. Students in a school. How many laddus did see how many laddus did each student get. Okay, students, look at here carefully. In this question here given that on Independence Day 2100 laddus were distributed equally among 525 students in a school. Okay, then in this question we have to take the division of 2100 by 525 for finding the total number of laddus, okay, got each student. Understand? Now let's start the solution of question number 36. Look at here carefully. On Independence Day, the total number of laddus is equal to the total number of laddus is equal to 2100 and the total number of students the total number of students to were distributed in a school is equal to 525 students. 525 students. Okay, students? Then the total number of laddus each student got. It means that laddus got each student is equal to distance. In this question, if we have to take the division of 2100 by 525 students, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, it means that here we have to take the division of 2100 by 525. 525 4 ja 4 5 ja 20, 20 of 0 carry 2, 4 2 ja 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, 4 5 ja 20 plus 1 is 21. Okay, after subtracting these we get cancel marks. Okay, it means that after subtracting these we get 4 as quotient. Okay, distance, it means that after dividing these we get 4. It means that 4 laddus got each students. Okay, distance, 4 laddus got each students. Okay, now read this distance. Please revise given question in maths homework. Okay, distance, it means that Question number 36, 37, 38 and 39. Please revise again. Okay, students, and send on my personal WhatsApp number after completed the given homework and classwork. Okay, students. Okay, students. Okay, students. Please open page number 107. And next question is 37. Question number 37 is find the number which when divided by 45 gives the quotient gives the quotient 84 and the remainder is 20. Okay, students, look at here carefully. In this question here given that divided by 45, it means that in this question, now let's start the solution of question number 37. In this question here given that divisor is equal to 45. Okay, quotient is equal to 84 and remainder is equal to 20. Okay, students, so we can use a formula for finding the number, okay, which when divided by 45 gives the quotient 84 and remainder 20. Okay, students, so formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient, plus remainder. Okay, students, it means that if we have to take 45 as divisor and 84 as quotient, after multiplying these and plus 20, look, after multiplying these we get just if we have to take the multiplication of 84 by 45, which gives this gives 5 4 is 20 of 0, 5 8 is 40, 40 plus 2 is 42, 4 4 is 16, 4 8 is 32, 32 plus 1 is 33. Here we get 0, 6 plus 2 is 8, 7, 3. It means that 3780 and here we can write 3780 plus 20. After adding these we get 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 are 0, carry 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, and here 3, 3800. It means that then the number is equal to 3800. Okay students, this is the answer of this question. Okay students, if you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, and please write in math fair copy and book both. Okay students, thank you.